Short walk in spring rain. Farewell to my thoughts as they linger in my slumbering covers. Dusk leftovers corona. The next laundry day is a myth. Grain a slum without a sight of raindrop. Surely it will come in the next few weeks. Lush greens lavish themselves with splashes of rain. Wide ones, long ones on bushes, such variety on tropic trees, laced with invisible vine leaves. Hidden walls and peaking fences, cakes that shatter thin pavements, such proof of a postmodern city. Flowers too, eagerly showing off in misery. Except the lilies, the depressed one sees the truth, humbly wilted, despite their usual proud selves. Also, the early bloomers, colors washed away with pastel shades.